How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Well, I'm glad you're here today, but I'm sorry I don't have a project for you. I don't have anything going on in my workbench. You know, I don't have any mechanical work. The tractor is in the shed. I'm not going to be using that today. But you know what? Today is probably the biggest, most important day at the camp since we've moved here. Because today is the day Janet gets her hip replaced. Her surgery date is today, the 24th of May. And she's at the hospital now. We took her to the hospital first thing this morning. It was, well, the worms weren't even up. We got to the hospital so early. And there's no place for me to stay there at the hospital, to wait in the waiting room or anything, you know, like you see on TV where you're waiting in the waiting room. And well, they don't have that. They just admitted her, make sure she had everything she needed. And then they told me to take off. So I'm back here making a video. Anyway, yeah, poor Janet. She's scared and she's nervous and anxious. You know, everybody is when you don't know what's around the next corner. I'm scared and nervous myself because I don't know what's around the next corner. And but anyways, we're going to find out what's around the next corner because the next corner is coming up. So I just wanted to make a quick little video today to say that Janet's having her hip surgery today, and there's both Janet and I have been totally blown right out of the water with all the comments we're getting on our videos. Comments like, we're asking after Nannie. Comments about praying for Nannie and I, both of us. Hope Nannie's doing well. How's Nannie's hip? You know, when is her hip surgery? How are you doing, Mike? You know, things like that. Just the care, the concern, the compassion, the coaching, the encouragement, and especially prayers has been just overwhelming, over the top, unbelievable. I'm telling you, it's just incredible. The YouTube community is so, I don't know what the word is I'm looking for, so, you know, so close. I bet you, yeah, it's just, you know, we could hug one another like we were old-time friends if we ever met. It's just amazing. So I want to just make this quick little video to tell all you folks out there, all you good folks out there that have been worrying, caring, praying, that Janet's at the hospital today having her hip surgery done. She should get out tomorrow, and I'll give you an update. As soon as I get information, I'll give you an update on how she's doing. But, you know, like I say, the care and the concern, and especially the prayers, because I'll tell you, prayers, for Janet and I, prayers are very important. It's a big part of our life, is well, praying for sure, but believing in God and trying to have like Christ at the center of what we do. No matter what happens in your life, it can be winning the lottery. It can be, you know, the death of a loved one. God is always there, and He's there looking after us. He's there to give us what we need when we need it. So prayers are very important to us, and we sure do thank you all for your prayers. But even those people who offer the encouragement, you know, the caring, when they ask after Nannie, it's just amazing. So thank you. I wish I could do more, but because of the medium that we have here, all I can do is say thank you. So thank you. There's a virtual hug for everyone. But anyhow, Janet is, she's probably, her hip has probably been replaced by now by the time I'm making this video. Certainly will be by the time I post it. And then tomorrow she comes home and we're going to start down a different kind of a road now for her recovery. So we still want you to care and concern and coach and encourage and ask after Nannie, and especially pray for Nannie for this convalescence period, because they say it can take anywhere from like 3 to 6 months to get your hip back in good shape, and maybe even a year before you can really, you know, kind of relax and not be concerned about damaging your hip. So we're not finished asking for your care and your prayers just yet, folks. But anyhow, that's an update. Janet's going for her hip surgery, or she's in the hospital right now for her hip surgery today, and she's getting home tomorrow, and then we'll be back. So thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for all your prayers and all your well wishes and all your encouragement and all your coaching and Thanks. Hey, we'll talk to you. Have a great week.